This is Parsteel. We are going to be building up a frame. We're going to be building up an upright frame that is a 12-foot upright frame. Parts required for this are two 12-foot posts, two horizontal braces that measure 39¼ inches, and 6 horizontal braces that measure 45½ inches. The hardware required are 2 foot plates, 4 screws for the foot plates with washers, 2 spacers, and on this one here, 9 nuts and bolts. This is for building up a 12-foot frame. And now our young man will start assembling. He is just setting right now the horizontal pieces in place. No matter what size upright frame you're going to be making, if it's 8 feet high, if it's 12 feet high, 18 feet high, 20 feet high, 26 feet high, the bracing spacing still remains the same. And that is the horizontal brace goes up one at the bottom, one at the top. But at the bottom it's going to start 6 inches from the base.
Okay. Now we're inserting a spacer into the top portion of the horizontal frame. The spacing between the horizontal and the first diagonal is 22 inches. Right there. And then as we move further down where we start going diagonal to diagonal, it becomes a 44-inch spacing. Again, using a spacer at the bottom where we're not joining with the diagonal. .44 inches in there. Lining up the holes with the bolt. Going for the foot plates now. As you can see, there's small grooves on the front of the footplate that will fit into the teardrop opening to make it easy, and then the bolts just insert right in with the washer. Now the frame's technically all assembled right now, but just to give it again the extra support, we're going to make sure everything is fastened properly. And there you have it. A brand new 12-foot frame, 42 inches deep, fully assembled, ready to be installed.
And is the completed upright frame. Again, this is a 12 feet high, but all the bracing, no matter what size, will always be the same, starting 22 inches from the horizontal and then 44 inches up. Thank you. Our master installer.